Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential mechanical readiness. Inspect the lens mount for threads, test the shutter release, and clean the rangefinder patch with a blower. Next, load 35mm film or cap the lens for a dry run and set the correct ISO on your meter. Once the film is engaged, wind the advance lever until it stops and set a conservative shutter speed. This establishes film transport and basic exposure control, so subsequent steps behave predictably. You now dial in focus through the rangefinder. Align the split patch until images merge, because precise alignment gives sharp results. Then meter off your subject and choose shutter and aperture to balance motion and depth of field. For moving subjects, increase shutter speed. For portraits, choose wider aperture. Once done, recheck focus and composition in the viewfinder, and remember to compensate for parallax when shooting under 1 meter by adjusting framing slightly upward or sideways to match the lens view. Finish each shot by confirming the shutter is cocked and advancing the lever. This prevents accidental double exposures and ensures accurate frame spacing. When the roll is finished, gently rewind fully before opening the back to avoid fogging. If something goes wrong, like a sticky shutter that hesitates, try a few gentle dry cycles and keep the camera level. If problems persist, stop, do not force mechanisms, and send the camera for a professional CLA because cleaning, lubrication, and adjustment will restore reliable timing and prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.